Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are building a website with Squarespace in 2026, buttons are one of the most important elements on your site. They guide users, drive actions, and directly affects conversions. Buttons tell users what to do next. Buttons increase clicks and sales. Button or bad buttons equals lost visitors. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to add a button in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, log into Squarespace, open your page editor, okay, for example, click add section and select button, okay. This is the official and the safest way. So set button text and link. So inside the button block, enter button text clear and action based. Add a link, page URL, email, file, phone number. For example, contact us, get started, book now. So buttons should tell users exactly what happens. So Squarespace buttons usually offer primary button, secondary button. Okay, so use primary for main actions only. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching guys, and see you guys in the next tutorial.